What's up guys, I've just woke up and today I'm going to do a day in the life video. I've never done one of these before. I don't know, I've never done them before, so I'll probably get like a bit of videoing done and then I'll probably forget. I look like shite, so I've just woke up. My bed's a mess, my room's a mess, the weather's not great. It's not too bad. Yeah. Hello. Hello here. Right, so I'm in the car now. About to go over to Liam's house, Liam the Jew. And yeah, I'm gonna pick him up and then we're gonna go skate. And it's just started raining now. Literally, I got in the car and it wasn't raining. Turned my camera on and the screen's getting rainy. That's excellent news, so I'm going to be rain skating today, it would seem. Hopefully it'll dry up. Hopefully. Just arrived at Liam's house. It's actually got a little bit sunnier on the way here, so with any luck we'll be able to skate and it'll stay sunny. So I'm going to go get Liam now. Hi. That was unusual. You know what I'm doing today, don't you? Yeah. What am I doing today, Liam? Yay! It's locked, Liam. I'm not going to leave my car unlocked on your road. Of all roads, you know this.
Yeah, you've only walked to my door.
Yeah, I didn't know that. To be fair, I wasn't really expecting you to be ready. You never normally are. So Liam, where are we going first? Where are we going first, Liam? Where are we going first? Where do we always go first before we go skate? Yeah! I had an eyelash in my eye earlier.
Are we still recording?
Yeah.
Can we stop recording now?
We never stop recording.
You're aiming that towards my nose, aren't you?
It's very big.
Okay. You can well see the sign. I hope a car crash happens, not to us though. Then we got it on record.
This, ladies and gentlemen, this is mine and Liam's parking spot. We will always park here. Is my eye still really red? That one.
No, we're fine.
That's not for you.
Go on, Max.
My food looks rather... One?
Yeah, man.
How many have you got?
One.
You've got one?
Yeah.
I think you're lying to me.
I don't think I am. Enough ketchup. That's mine. Yeah.
Okay then. My phone's a bit broke, guys. Oh well, still, swag. I'm thinking of a person.
He or she?
Male.
Did we go to school?
Nope.
Does he skate?
Nope.
No. Is it a wee man?
No. Would you like me to give you a clue?
Yeah.
He's a historical figure.
Jesus?
Nope. He's not alive anymore.
Jesus?
Nope, not Jesus.
God?
Nope.
It's Bin Laden, isn't it?
No. Should have been.
Yeah. Saddam Hussein?
He's a figure of mass destruction and like mass murder and whatnot.
Sake, shut up.
Do you know who it is?
I think I do, yeah.
Who is it, Liam?
It wouldn't be that German guy now, would it?
Ooh, he is German, to be fair.
Hmm.
Who is he, Liam?
What's about?
Now you take that away from my camera, and how about you answer the question? Who is it, Liam?
Hitler.
It is Hitler, congratulations. You've won yourself a pickle.
I don't like this game.
I don't like pickles.
I don't like Hitler.
You know, for the skateboarding people on YouTube, What's the helmet boy's name? Oh, is it
Josh Caps.
Oh yeah, that guy. The guy who wears a helmet. Like whenever I watch his videos and like day in the life and stuff like that, they go for lunch, but they go for lunch like a considerably far way into the video, and that just like sort of shows how lazy you and I are.
Yeah.
That we have to go
First thing we do, straight to Mackey's.
Yeah, no, because we're not awake for the morning. Are you filming Impact Repair again?
Yep.
I was involved in a car accident. And
How many on advertising other companies?
How does
Ready?
car
Go,
works?
go, go, go. Do it, do it, do it.
Don't fucking. Fuck's sake.
You want to give it a proper good beat?
No, because I don't. Right, no, right. I wanted to hit this. I don't trust it yet. Because my car's got buttons. This. I don't want. What if the airbag goes off if I hit it?
Andy Woodward, ladies and gentlemen.
Right. So we've just arrived at our first destination of the day, Gospel Lane Skate Park, which is right by Liam's house. So that's why we're here. And I've just discovered I'm missing a bolt. So I'm not very happy. I took my board out of my boot and there's a bolt missing. But yeah, we're gonna have a skate now, and I'm not gonna record it. I'll record something in a bit, but for now I'm just gonna skate without you guys. We didn't actually get much footage from Gospel, because
It started raining.
it's raining now.
Oh well. And now we've got to sit in the car.
Uh-oh.
We could just go Mackey's again.
You're fat, man.
Yeah, but you know, rain.
Hi, Craig's house. So, we're here
Oh shit.
on a Mish-1. This is Craig's house. Craig lives in this house. Let's go see if Craig wants to come skateboarding.
There's a bee.
It would appear no one's going to answer this door.
Craig's house is number 1.
180. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. So, we've arrived at Tudor Grange, and yeah, we're going to go skate. It stopped raining again. It's been off and on all day. Liam's gone to get me a ticket to the car, and hopefully it'll stay dry. Doesn't like being filmed.
How many on £1 burgers?
Why'd you get 2? You should feel sorry for us
What if
because
America would see this?
I'm just saying, if you are from America and you see this, you should feel sorry for us because this is how shit our skate parks are. And they're full of children on scooters. Weren't you ever wanting to come out of that switch or not? Fucking hell, Liam.
Hello.
Someone's getting angry. hate England, you know. We hate rain.
Yeah.
You're gonna do some tricks. I'm gonna shout them out and you gotta do them, okay? First trick's a kickflip. Well, that didn't go too well. Pop shove it. Backside flip. Nollie front 180. Varial kickflip. You scored 1 out of 5.
No.
1. Pop shove it. 1 out of 5.
Okay, try flip. Ooh, hard flip. Inward heel. Double flip. Okay, last trick. Free shove. You still got 2 of them.
2 out of 5 better than yours. I think you scored 0 out of 10 that time.
Yep.
Out of 5, sorry. How successful was this day, Liam, skateboarding wise?
Shit.
Absolutely diabolical! We've been to Gospel Lane, rained. We've been to Tudor Grange, rained. We hid from the rain, rained. And then it rained some more. It's only 6:15 and I'm pretty much giving up for the day. I mean, the sun's coming out now, but I can guarantee in 5-10 minutes it'll be raining pretty heavy again. So, CBA. Hi Richard. Hi Cher. I will come in, I'm just saying hello to the dog. Why are you wearing a morph suit? What are you doing? I'm not taking a photo of you. Filming a damn live video?
Oh, okay.
Give me my bag actually.
Why are you doing the live video
Well,
with me?
the aim today was to record a day of what I do, which is generally just sitting here and playing Xbox, but so far today has been incredibly unsuccessful. Ooh, Burger King! Oh, no Burger King left. The house is a mess because my parents aren't here. Spaghetti hoops. I don't know, what can I eat? It's 1 minute to 7. I've just got in and it's raining some more. I'm pretty annoyed with the weather today. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, add me on Facebook, suggest another video, whatever you guys want to do. A suggestion would be good though, because I can do what you want to see. And share this video, it'll help me out. Bye bye!